ovulating and yet not getting pregnant, wondering why this is happening? Hi, I'm Dr. Suvarchla, Scientific Director with Ziva Fertility Centers. So, ovulation does not guarantee pregnancy. There are a lot of things involved there. We'll begin from the beginning. The start point of all this is the release of hormones by the brain. If it is not happening properly, or if the hormones are imbalanced, they're not reaching the ovaries properly, there could be likelihood of no proper response of the ovaries to the hormones. So, hormonal imbalance could be one of the reasons. Next, suppose hormones were okay and the ovary was subjected to these hormones, but there was no response, as in there were no eggs there. Premature ovarian failure or ovarian insufficiency. This means to say that the ovaries do not have age appropriate number of eggs. So that's another problem. And then the egg suppose is there and it releases, maybe it's not of good quality. And what do I mean by that? Maybe it comes from a woman who is of advanced age. This could also cause chromosomal abnormalities in the egg, which could lead to fertilization errors. Then it's not just about the egg and the hormones, maybe the tubes are blocked. Tubes also could be a reason why fertilization is failing or pregnancy is not happening, because the tubes are blocked. Not just that, the endometrium, the uterus also could be a problem. Congenital deformities that could be causing pregnancy loss, recurrent implantation failure, miscarriages also could happen because of congenital problems. Not just congenital, over a period of time if fibroids develop, polyps, adenomyosis, endometriosis, all these also could lead to you not getting pregnant and also miscarriages and implantation failure. In addition to all this which is happening, maybe your partner's sperms are not good, the volume may be low, the sample could be viscous, the count may be low, the motility may not be appropriate, the morphology may not be appropriate as well, or DNA fragmentation of the sperms could be very high. All these reasons could be the reason why you are not getting pregnant. So just because you think that your periods are regular and you're ovulating regularly, it doesn't mean that everything is all right. It's better to get yourself tested once you've tried for 1 year with unprotected intercourse if you're below 30 years. If you're below 40 or above 35, 6 months of trying is more than enough. If you wish to understand more, please feel free to contact us.